Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Stamina Inmotion E1000 compact strider, touted as one of the best in its category.
Let's explore what makes this seated elliptical stand out from the rest.
The Stamina Inmotion E1000 compact strider is a versatile piece of exercise equipment designed to provide effective workouts from the comfort of your home. With its compact design and smart features, it's suitable for users of all fitness levels. One of the standout features of this strider is its versatility. Whether you prefer sitting or standing workouts, forward or reverse pedaling, this machine offers options to target different muscle groups. Compared to other compact ellipticals, the E1000 stands out for its affordability and smart workout app integration. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it offers a solid option for those seeking a budget-friendly exercise solution. In conclusion, the Stamina Inmotion E1000 compact strider delivers on its promise of providing a convenient and effective workout solution for home use. While it may not suit everyone's needs, its affordability and versatility make it a worthy investment for those looking to stay active without leaving the house.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with the Stamina Inmotion E1000 in the comments below.